And so what are you doing here?
Putting the potatoes in the
Cool.
fire.
And what did you put on the potatoes?
Garlic and oil.
Cool. And what did you wrap them in?
Tin foil.
Cool.
There's two in this one.
Cool. From fire to fork.